the Springtime Paper Pad from Sizzix. This has floral watercolor look artwork with framed areas for your greetings. Now what you're seeing on here is a little bit of everything that's going to be in here, all of the different patterns, and I'm going to show you those. It measures 4 inches by 6 inches, has 36 sheets of double-sided paper, so it's a nice little pad, 12 different designs, and you're going to get 3 of each image. So let's get into this right away. And this is what I was talking about, a framed area. So each of these sheets is going to have some sort of frame or open area that you can stamp in or paint in or draw in. And also, I don't know if you can see that, but it has the feel and the texture of linen. There we go, you can see it. Every one of these has this textured look and feel to it. I absolutely love that. It gives it a more of an elegant a feel to it, like it's heavier weight somehow. It's just double-sided paper, but it feels a little bit heavier. And all of the looks are going to be like this, watercolor look, watercolor flowers, and each one of these, when I turn it over, has a watercolor wash background. So all different colors, really beautiful, and you're going to get 3 of each of the images that I'm going to show you. So we'll go through the images and know that you get 3 of these. I love that it's double-sided. That's so beautiful. And again, here is a framed area and here's an area at the bottom, so you can do some stamping here and here at the bottom. These are going to be perfect for placing on a card, or you can use the back to place on a card as well. So those coordinating colors. And because you'll get 3 of these, you'll get 3 of this image, and what's on the back is this. You'll get 3 of those, so you can mix and match those. You'll be able to get the front and back coordinated together on a card. So a nice little floral wreath there. Let me turn it this way. Beautiful florals end to end. These are going to fit on a card just beautifully. I love that diamond look with a watercolor wash background. And let me do it just like this. And on the back, beautiful yellows to go with. So here we have another open area here that might look nice just like that. That's beautiful. And when we turn it over, beautiful purples and pinks on the back. I love the coordinating washes on the back and these open areas. They're going to be perfect for adding some writing to. You can just write on these. These would be nice on a scrapbook page too, because you could write like this one. You could put it next to a photograph and you could say, oh, Brooklyn, age 12, and you know whatever's going on, and some more messaging down there. So they'd be nice on scrapbook pages, especially something like that, you know, the title for a scrapbook page. But they're going to make quick cards, and you're going to have those coordinating washes that are on the back. So let's just get through. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful, and so is that, nice and dark. So you've got a range of colors to work with, a range of floral designs, and those beautiful open areas. So we've got to the next set. You're going to get 3 sheets of each image and 12 different images, the Springtime Paper Pad from Sizzix.